Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Kalani's room. I had so much fun decorating this room and giving my baby girl her own space. It's not all the way done being decorated, but I really like the way that it's coming out so far, so I hope you guys enjoy. Start off, I'm just inserting this clip of before we moved in, just so you guys can see what it looked like when it was empty. So walking into her room, just to give you a quick little overview. Her room is nowhere near being done, but I figured I'd just give you guys a room tour now because it does look really cute and it's turning out so freaking good, better than I expected. But we're gonna start off with the boring stuff first. So behind her door, she just has this little shoe rack. The shoe rack is from Ross. A lot of things in this room are gonna be from Ross because Ross is one of my favorite stores. I have a really bad addiction. Laundry hamper from Ross. So Kalani actually has the bigger room of the house because she has a messed up closet. Now don't judge me, her closet is a mess because it's just like storage. Oh. But if you can see, her closet is right above the stairs. So like nothing, like I couldn't do anything with that if it was my closet. Up there, she just has a whole bunch of clothes that no longer fit her. I have so many baby girl clothes that I'm just holding on to because I'm a hoarder and I want another baby girl, so there's that. And then over here, I don't keep a lot of her clothes, but like jackets or new stuff she hasn't worn yet, like this really freaking cute Nike suit. Got this from Ross. I'm obsessed with buying her tracksuits. She has so many. But yeah, there's that. This little outfit got from Ross. Ross is the hookup. Like if y'all don't know, I need to get hit. This little shirt from her second birthday. Aww. And then over there, I have her Halloween costume. If you can guess what she's gonna be, leave a comment down below. And parents, let me put y'all onto something, especially when they're younger and they don't know what they want to be yet. Get their Halloween costume for next year, the day after Halloween the year prior.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So like last year, I went to Spirit Halloween like 2 days after Halloween and they had like everything 50% off. It was crazy. I have a love-hate relationship with this corner originally because it has that hook at the top. I wanted this to be like her little reading nook area and I was gonna put her canopy, but it just didn't work out. So all her toys are here, which is nice because when you're walking into the room, it doesn't look all cluttered and stuff with toys. So it's nice that I can keep it over here, but I do want to have better organization for it. In the back, she just has like a bin full of all her toys. She has her little taco truck that she got for Christmas. Her ball pit that she got for her birthday. And then some teddy bears. That is her first Build-A-Bear teddy bear. I waited in line for 4 hours when it was pay your age day and she was only 1 at the time. So I was like, $1 bear, yeah, I'm there. I didn't realize it was gonna take that long, and once I was already in line, like I was committed. And I didn't bring a stroller, so I was literally carrying her for 4 hours for this freaking bear, only for her not to care about it. Like she barely ever plays with that thing. But yeah, that's her bear. And then over here, she just has this little learning desk thing. She loves this thing, she got it for her birthday. On either side, she has 2 windows and these curtains are from Ross. I like having really sheer curtains because it just allows light to come in this room and it looks really pretty and airy. On this wall, she just has her name letters, Kalani. I do want to put like a trail of butterflies or something because this wall looks kind of empty. And for Christmas, I do want to get her a little play kitchen, so I'm thinking that will go right over here. And then coming around to my favorite part of her whole freaking room, her big girl bed. So when I first was thinking about decorating her room, I was thinking about giving her like a character themed bedroom with like a little toddler bed, and you know they have all the matching pieces, but I feel like this room can like grow with her a little bit more. And it doesn't, I don't know, sometimes the characters just look tacky. Obviously, when she's old enough to tell me what she likes, we'll do the whole character thing, but for now, I really like the way that this looks. I was debating between a day bed and a canopy bed, but the reason that I went with a canopy bed is because obviously I have it set up as a day bed. I don't know, it just makes the room look bigger. But yeah, so bed is from Amazon, mattress is from Amazon. Comforter is just pink with white and gold stars. Obviously the theme of this room is just white and gold. Some of it is like butterfly stuff and some of it's stars, but I just try to get all the pink, white, and gold things that I possibly could. In the left-hand corner, she just has a little teddy bear that she got for Easter. In the middle, she has this really cute teddy bear that she got before she was even born that says Kalani's Teddy. And then to the right, she has this unicorn teddy bear that lights up. My mom got her that for her birthday. Then we have these two big furry pillows. Those are from Ross. Down here, she has this little blanket that used to be in her crib, along with that little butterfly pillow, and those were from Kmart. And down here, she has her pink shag rug. And then underneath her bed, she just has a little bin full of extra blankets and stuff. And then over here is my second favorite part of her room. So starting off with this table. She got this table set for her birthday. It's from Amazon. I will link it below. And then in here, it has a little net so she can keep like her crayons, markers, art supplies, toys, stuff like that, which is really nice. Over here, she has her little cubby organizer. On top, she has this little ballerina princess dress-up costume thing that she got for her birthday, but it's obviously for 3+, so she hasn't worn it yet, but it's really cute. Right here, she has a Hello Kitty piggy bank. This actually used to be my piggy bank, but the most I ever had in it was like 50 cents. Now that it's hers, it is literally like so heavy, it's so full. Like I can barely stuff anything else in there, but yeah, she got the 20s, 5s, 1s. I'm really curious to see how much money she has in there. And then over here we have this princess sign that I got from Ross. Over here is her baby book. I really need to put a picture of her on the front, but yeah, it just has like memories, milestones, all that good stuff. In the first cubby to the left, I have her pull-ups. She is currently potty training. She does really well with going to the potty. She just doesn't really know how to tell us when she wants to go. Except when she has to do number 2, she'll definitely tell you. And then over here, I have her wipes. I really like Huggies wipes and Pampers diapers. I've always been like that ever since she was a baby. Down here, I have her books. She does have more books, but they're probably just spread around throughout the house. She's always reading or trying to get you to read or carrying a book around. She loves books. Over here, she has a photo album. It doesn't have any pictures in it yet, but it says Dream Big, Little One. In the middle, I don't even know what she has. Oh, she has a random pack of crayons, 2 winter hats, and then a bonnet for her hair. When I actually do her hair, but it never stays on anyways. Over here, she has a memory box thing, and then it has her name engraved on it, Kalani Rose Rux. And then Behind there, she has a baby wipe case that says her name. So cute. Down here, she has, what is in here? Sticker books, coloring books, crayons, markers, all that good stuff. This one is empty. This one has these little block things. She actually got this as a gift from my best friend Mia for her birthday. She loves these things. Over here is her canopy. I got this canopy from Target. It's like a white to pink ombre. Inside of it, she has a little beanbag chair, which I got from Ross. Pillow, which I also got from Ross. And then a little unicorn teddy bear. But yeah, I just thought that was so cute. Like she can come and get a little book and sit in her little corner or sit at her table. So yeah. Up here, she just has 3 little pieces of artwork. This one used to be in her nursery. It says, "You will always be our little butterfly," and I'm obsessed with butterflies. Over here, this one says, "Shine bright, little lady. And though she be but little, she is fierce," which is so funny because I feel like that's in every little girl's room. But yeah, I also want to put a piece of artwork up there as well. And then down here, she just has her dressers. I think we got these from Ashley Furniture. I was originally gonna get one big one, but that one was damaged, so we just got the 2, which ended up being a little bigger, I believe. Her drawers are super empty because I recently went through her clothes and took out all her summer clothes and all the clothes that no longer fit her. That is her room, you guys. I will try to leave as many links to things down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any suggestions on things that I could add or rearrange or anything like that, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Where's your books? Is that your bed? Jumping on your bed? Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
We're talking.
Subscribe.
Bye.